In today's volatile and highly competitive market environment, Hebei Province Pantao Machinery Co. has leveraged its profound technical accumulation over more than 30 years to craft a fully automatic egg tray production line, setting a new benchmark for automated egg tray manufacturing. This production line is an intelligent system integrating functions such as automatic stacking, counting, packing, packaging, weighing, and palletizing. Through its highly automated operation mode, it has greatly revolutionized the egg tray production process, not only significantly reducing manual labor intensity, but also greatly lowering the strict requirements for skilled workers, thus providing egg trays manufacturers with an efficient, convenient, and cost-effective production solutions.